You implemented the 8 Asian skincare secrets from my last video. You committed completely. You upgraded your sleep, wore sunscreen religiously, and overhauled your diet. You did everything right. But weeks have passed. You look in the mirror, and nothing has changed. The glow isn't there, fine lines haven't softened. You've hit a frustrating plateau. You stand in front of the mirror, looking at those expensive bottles. You wonder why everyone else gets results while you remain stuck. Here's the honest truth. You aren't doing anything wrong, but you are missing the underlying system. Most anti-aging advice online stops at basic habits. Drink water, get beauty sleep, and wear SPF. Yes, those matter, but we need to be clear on what they actually do. They only slow down future damage. They do not change how your skin currently behaves. The skincare industry sold us a comfortable, profitable lie. They've convinced us that aging is a product problem. They say if you buy one magical serum, the clock will reverse. It simply isn't true. That is exactly why your results feel agonizingly slow, or why they don't happen at all. Basic habits protect the status quo. They maintain what you already have, but they do not command your cells to behave differently. To actually change how your skin acts, you must transition from passively protecting it to actively commanding it. You need a comprehensive approach targeting root biological causes. Today, I am breaking down the 3 levels of reverse aging: habits, stimulation, and timing. Let's start with level 1. This is your foundation. Basic protection isn't enough. We must upgrade the internal inputs we give our bodies. Think about your current routine. You probably use a basic moisturizer and a generic vitamin C serum. Everyone says to do that. But standard antioxidants aren't enough. We need highly targeted, hyper-potent inputs. These force the body to adapt. Enter Astaxanthin. This compound will change how you view skincare from the inside out. It's a naturally occurring pigment found in wild salmon. But what it does for human skin is borderline miraculous. When fighting oxidative stress, the biological rusting that causes wrinkles, vitamin C is usually considered the gold standard. To stop this cellular damage, you need an antioxidant. But astaxanthin is in a completely different universe. Clinical studies show something shocking. Astaxanthin may be up to 6,000 times more potent than vitamin C against certain free radicals. This is a true level 1 habit upgrade. We aren't just drinking water and hoping for the best. We are introducing a high-potency protocol. The baseline is taking 4 milligrams of astaxanthin daily. Combine this with collagen-supporting nutrition like bone broth and healthy fats. By making this upgrade, we actively prepare the internal environment. We saturate the cells with the most powerful antioxidant known to modern science. This puts out the microscopic fires that age us. Your skin is now primed and protected. But this is only level 1. You have prepared the canvas. Now, you must tell the skin what to do. This brings us to level 2. This is where the real visible change actually happens. If you take one concept away from this entire video, let it be this. Habits protect, but stimulation commands. You can feed your skin the best nutrients. But as we age, our cellular machinery slows down. The internal factories producing collagen and elastin get sluggish. To wake them up, you can't just rub a luxury cream on the surface. You have to stimulate the underlying tissue. You have to force it to work. The first way we command the skin is through light. Red light therapy, targeted specifically at the 660 nanometer wavelength, isn't a passing trend. It is a scientifically backed mechanism that forcefully activates collagen production. When this wavelength penetrates your skin, it is absorbed directly by the mitochondria. These are the microscopic powerhouses inside your cells. This light acts as a direct power source. It supercharges the mitochondria to produce far more ATP. More ATP means your cells finally have the raw energy to do their jobs. They synthesize fresh collagen faster. They increase local circulation. They reduce deep-rooted inflammation. You are literally charging your skin cells exactly like a depleted battery. This is why some women suddenly look brighter, tighter, and more rested within weeks. But we don't stop at the cellular level. Beneath your skin is a complex network of muscles. These dictate the structure, tightness, and shape of your entire face. As we age, these muscles atrophy, weaken, and sag. This physically drags the attached skin down with them. You wouldn't expect your body to stay toned without regular exercise. Yet we expect our faces to stay perfectly lifted while doing absolutely nothing to train the muscles underneath. This is where microcurrent technology comes into play. These devices deliver low-level electrical currents that mimic the body's natural ionic flow. When you run these painless microcurrents over your face, you give your facial muscles a rigorous workout. Think of it like Pilates for the face. You have 43 distinct muscles in your face. By utilizing microcurrents, you actively retrain them to hold their proper tension. You lift and contour the architecture of your face from the inside out. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day of targeted stimulation can dramatically lift and tone the face. You charge the cells with red light, you retrain the muscles with microcurrents. You are no longer waiting for an expensive cream to absorb. You are actively commanding your biology to act younger. At this stage, you might think you finally have the perfect routine. You've upgraded your internal habits with powerful antioxidants. You're using advanced stimulation to charge your cells and tone your muscles. You're doing the hard work. But here's the brutal truth. If you stimulate your skin without understanding the science of biological timing, you will lose up to 40% of your potential results. It is exactly like doing a massive, exhausting workout at the gym and then eating a giant box of donuts right after. You are fighting against your own biology. This is the critical missing layer that almost no one in the beauty industry talks about. Welcome to level 3, the timing gap. Your entire body operates on a strict biological clock. It is famously known as your circadian rhythm, and your skin is absolutely no exception. During daylight hours, your skin is locked in defense mode. It is constantly fighting off invisible UV rays, pollution, and environmental stress. It puts all its available energy into keeping you safe. It is not building new collagen or repairing cellular damage. But at night, everything shifts dramatically. When the sun goes down, you enter deep, restorative sleep. Your skin transitions from active defense mode into maximum repair mode. There is a very specific, critical biological window for this regeneration to occur. It happens strictly between 11 at night and 3 in the morning. During this 4-hour regenerative window, blood flow increases substantially. Cellular turnover hits its highest possible rate. Your skin's permeability peaks. It absorbs active ingredients significantly better and deeper than at any point during the day. And this is where most people unknowingly sabotage their results. Because this high permeability means you experience higher levels of transepidermal water loss. Your skin literally evaporates precious moisture while you sleep. This is why exact timing is crucial. You must feed the skin potent active ingredients right before this window opens. Then, immediately seal it all in with proper hydration. This allows the skin to do its heavy lifting without drying out. This is when your skin is most receptive and responsive to structural change. This is exactly why some skincare routines work absolute miracles, while others completely fail, even if 2 different people are using the exact same high-end products. It always comes down to the same habits, but entirely different timing. Apply your most potent, expensive serums at 8 in the morning, and your skin is too busy fighting off the environment to use them properly. Stay up until 2 in the morning scrolling on your phone, and you completely miss the biological repair window. No amount of red light therapy or Astaxanthin can compensate for that lost time. To truly reverse aging and change your skin, you must align your daily routine with your inherent biology. Feed your body the right internal inputs. Command the lazy cells through targeted stimulation. Then, get out of the way. Let your body do its deepest work during the 11 to 3 repair window. That is exactly when skincare stops being a frustrating daily chore and finally becomes true biological leverage. If you want the complete ageless system, the exact routines, tools, and timing protocols I use, it's all linked below. Because aging well isn't about doing more. It's about finally working with your biology instead of against it. If you haven't seen part 1, the 8 Asian secrets that started this, click right here. It's the foundation for everything we just covered today. I'm currently vetting the research for level 4. Hit subscribe so you're the first to see the next evolution of the system. One last question. Which level hit home for you? The timing or the stimulation? Let's talk about it in the comments below.